Are you trying to delete your Gmail but worried you'll lose your entire Google account? Learn how to remove Gmail safely in under 3 minutes. First, we'll navigate to your Google account settings. Then, I'll walk you through the exact steps to delete only Gmail, not your whole account. Start by going to the Gmail homepage. Then, click on your profile picture or initial in the top right corner. From the drop-down, select Manage your Google account. Now, use the search bar at the top of the page and type Delete. From the results, click on Delete a Google service. In the list of services, find Gmail. Once you've found it, click on the trash bin icon next to it. You'll need to enter a non-Gmail email address that you can use to access your Google account after Gmail is deleted. Then, click Send Verification Email. Open the verification email sent to your alternate email address and confirm the deletion. Your Gmail account will be removed. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.